Howdy, folks. All right. Buddy of mine in my Discord sent me a brand new pair of S12s. That's these. So, I don't know if you can see this, but this pisses me off. Hey, come on. Yeah. So, that 2-pin is not recessed anymore. And I was using that to crank with a screwdriver, and that obviously is, like, it's too flat. I can't get it shit in there, and it's just going to fuck it all up. So, I had to figure out another way, and that way is this. That's about as good as I can do. I'm probably gonna hopefully glue it and maybe like sand it down a little bit when I'm done, but that popped this one, so oh god. Very stressful. I don't want to fuck these up, but you know. So there is in this area right here, so you know, I'm holding onto this and I gotta get this out of my way. All right. So here's what I'm doing. I'm getting my X-Acto. And by the way, you can heat this up, but don't heat it up a lot. I'm just going to do it a little bit. I've got a hot air thing for soldering, and I put it at 160 Fahrenheit, and I'm not going to shoot it inside the thing. I'm just going to go like this, whoops, and heat it up. Now, when my fingers get hot, then I know I'm probably hot enough. We're not shooting it in the vents here. If I can't handle this, then it's too hot. All right, so we got that. Heated it up. It's actually fairly warm to the touch. Now, I'm putting my hand on the desk, like I got my knuckles here, and I'm going to do this. So basically, I'm using my hand, and I'm pushing down pretty fucking hard. And what happens is, as you do this right, you can't go through it because my hand is going to stop. Oh, I got it. Shit. Yeah. All right, nice. All right. So we cracked it. Now, oh shit. What we don't want to do is slice through the damn thing. We'll definitely have a bad day. So I'm just going to go very gently around the edges. And again, I'm putting my knuckles here, and I'm using leverage like this. So I'm putting my weight on my hand, not on the tip, and then rocking. Cool. I think it's coming. I feel like there's still some glue on the back here somewhere. Oh yeah. And again, we're not slicing through it, just getting it open. Oh yeah, cool. This is very stressful because this is only the second one of these I've done, and goddamn do I not want to break it. You can pry. Oh god, thank you. And we got it. All right, that is definitely the hardest part of this. I'm going to replace the damper on this, and then we got to poke the front vent and then open this and put an insert, and I got all that. Let's go ahead and crack the rest of this one open. Looks like actually that's pretty close. I'll just come around the edge here. Again, rocking with my knuckles. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I think we got it. Yep. Bam. Now, just to let people know, see where the wires are? They're, yeah, on both of these are folded into the bottom area. So this is the area you want to go in. See how there's this lip right here? That will prevent you from cutting through it, but, you know, but. All right. Next step coming up.